How to download and install HITV app. So let's get started. First of all, let's open the App Store on your mobile device and search for the HITV app. Now, in the search address bar, type down the HITV. If you find the HITV app available on your App Store, then you can simply tap on the Get option available there and download it. But if you are in some reason where the HITV app is not available on your app store, then you can simply go to the Anyway browser, type down the HITV in the search address bar and hit enter. Then simply tap on the HITV official website available there and navigate to it. Then tap on the share icon available at the bottom. Once you tap on the share icon, then tap on the add to home screen option available there, and what happens is it will add this app to your home screen. Now you can rename it, but I'm keeping the username, and that is it. You can simply tap on it and it will get you through the HITV app when you are connected to your Wi-Fi. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.